Hi, it's Jen from Not So Mystical Tarot. This is going to be your reading for the second half of July 2019 for Sun, Moon, or Rising sign of Taurus. You can find me on Instagram at Not So Mystical Tarot or NotSoMysticalTarot.com if you'd like a personal or private reading. That will all be in the description. Also, watch your moon and rising signs because it will give you a little bit more clarification, and that is why I keep these shorter, so that you can bop to your moon and rising signs really quickly and kind of get a little bit more clarity on all of these things. So let's get started, Taurus. What do we have going on the second half of July? Three of Pentacles. I love this. You are the Pentacles. You are earth signs. You like to have a plan. This is all about having a plan. What am I doing? Where am I going? And I know the first part of July, those readings were like super intense. A lot of emotional stuff, and a lot of people got this card combined with emotion stuff about like kind of keeping it all together, having a plan. So let's see what else you're going to have. Queen of Pentacles. This is all about you. I mean, you are the earth sign. So here you go with your Pentacles. This is the deal. You have the opportunity to really excel in the second half of July. But what we're saying here is you want to have a plan. You don't build a building without a blueprint, right? Okay, you see these people are all going to get together and build this building, this church, this institution, whatever they're going to build. They aren't just making it up out of thin air. The other thing is you have the Queen of Pentacles, not the king, and there's a reason, because the Queen of Pentacles is like that Pinterest mom, right? Like she's the one who you meet up with her like for a play date. I'm just giving you an example, and each kid has a change of clothes. They've got snacks and juice, and she's got the wipes and the Sharpie marker, and she's got everything under control. You're going to want to really, really plan, because it looks like you have some serious opportunities in this second half of July, but we're talking there is serious planning here. This Queen of Pentacles, she pays her bills on time, her house is neat, her office is neat. If you have an outside job, that kind of thing, everything is under control. She knows exactly where her money is. She knows where everything is in her house. She just got her environment down, and that's the thing. This is really stressing this with both of these cards. But the potential is off the charts for you to really have a great second half of July, and the readings this month are all kind of going that way, which is really, really exciting, because we've had some tough months. Look at this. 10 of Pentacles. The 10 of Pentacles is a measured success that everyone can see. So here we go. If you have a plan for whatever is coming, and you'll know what this is, this is obvious. You'll know what this is that's coming. If you have a plan for when it shows up and you're super organized, you're ready for it, your environment is ready, all your possibilities are thought out, this 10 of Pentacles is just like, it's just coming for you. I mean, it's just coming at you. This is really, really awesome. I love these kind of readings. I'm so happy to see this. And look what else you have. The 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands is super fast moving energy. So whatever this is coming at you quickly. It's not like something that you will not notice or will not see. This is something that is like, I want to say barreling toward you. Like, you can't miss this. You would have to be asleep to miss this, and even then it would wake you up, okay? So be on the lookout and be ready. Have a plan in place. Have yourself organized. Be ready so that you do not miss out, because this is a major opportunity here for some serious success. The 10 of Pentacles is measurable success that everybody can see. Like, this is it's not quiet. That's what I want to say. It's not quiet. 2 of Cups. You need to be very in touch with yourself emotionally, because this is a lot that's coming at you. You want to be like very secure in your relationship with you, how you feel about yourself, how you feel about what's happening. Like, don't lie to yourself that I feel like there's more than one opportunity coming for you. So you want to make sure that you choose the best thing. And like, when I'm saying don't lie to yourself, like, yeah, this will be okay. If you know there's something better coming, be strong enough to go, yeah, I don't want that. I'm waiting for something better. Okay, that's what I'm getting with this too. And look at that. 4 of Swords. 4 of Swords is about taking a step back, using your intellectual mind and evaluating what's going on. Like I just said, I feel like there's going to be more than one opportunity coming for you. And because of that, I want you to be really true to yourself. Really look at, like, I always see this as kind of like us and like our spiritual selves. I see that like a lot, and that's what I'm saying. You want to be really true to yourself. And with the cups, there was a lot of emotional energy in the beginning of July. Like everybody was getting that. So I want you to be true to who you are. And that's the thing. When you step back and you take a moment to like observe things and really look at it in the black and white, like this is right, this is wrong, I like this, I don't even like this, why am I thinking about doing this? When you take that step back, it will be extremely clear to you. Okay? Let's just get a little more information just because. Oh, what do we have? What do we have? These are so exciting. Oh, this is great. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Now, we know the Knight of Pentacles moves really slowly. Slowest moving energy in the deck, but you are the Pentacles, okay? So this is like your energy coming through. This thing that's coming has taken a while to get to you, but remember that Eight of Wands from the first part of this reading? It's now that it's got the momentum, it's coming at you. So just know it may have taken a long time to get to you, but that's okay because it's here. It's finally here. Something you've been working on, it seems like maybe a long time. And look at this. Yeah, I want you to be very careful about what you do and do not accept because you have the Hermit card paired with this 4. And this 4 is about taking that time away, meditating. If you don't want to meditate, that's fine. Sit and think about, what do I really want? Do I want this job? Do I want this opportunity? The Hermit, get away by yourself. Realize he's got his little light with him. That light comes from within him. That light is there because he knows who he is. Here, stay true to yourself, okay? This whole thing has got like a theme. I'm really interested to hear what goes on for you guys in the second half of July, and I'm really excited for this. So please let me know. Like I said, watch your moon and rising. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.